Yeah. All right, so you're 3 ingredients away from a perfect no-bake cheesecake. So stay tuned, and I'll show you an easy recipe for pretty much any occasion. Welcome to my kitchen. Now, I love this recipe, and I also love the fact that it's so easy to make. And, I too also love the fact that my birthday, March 29th, is tomorrow. So I would like to take this time and thank all of you viewers for making this recipe for me and sending it to me for my birthday. Thank you. All right, so let's get into it because the faster I teach you, the faster you can make it and the faster you can send it to me. All right, so let's start with the Oreos. Now, I have a sleeve of Oreos that I'm just going to place in a plastic bag. Then what we're gonna do is we're just going to crush these using like a rolling pin or a heavy pot or a hammer, whatever you fancy. We're just gonna get them pretty crushed up. All right, so that looks wonderful. So now I also have some mini Oreos that I want to add. I'm gonna leave these whole and these are optional. I just like the crunch that they add to the cheesecake. All right, now I have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese that I'm just going to beat until it's nice and creamy. Now at this point, what you can do is you can add whipped cream, and you can either use whipped topping like Cool Whip, store-bought whipped cream, or homemade whipped cream. Now I like homemade whipped cream just because it makes for a richer product. And once you have those two together, then you have a perfect base. So from there, you can add other things like peanut butter or caramel or chocolate. You can add fruit, you can add candies. You can kind of basically get really creative with it. But of course, we're doing Oreos, so let's add our Oreos. So we have the crushed Oreos and the mini Oreos. We're just gonna get this well combined. Perfect. Now what you want to do is you're just going to take the 8 ounces of whipped cream and we're just going to fold this in. Now beware that if you mix this too much, the pie will kind of start to turn gray from the Oreos. So you just want to be pretty careful with this and just kind of mix it gently. Once it's well mixed, then we're just gonna put this mixture in a pre-made Oreo pie crust. Spread it out evenly. And then this goes into the fridge for an hour or 2 to firm up. And then you can decorate it or you can leave it as is. And then you enjoy this deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you're going to send me one of these cheesecakes, because I mean, how easy is it to make? See, everyone can send one to me. I would like to thank you in advance. Also, what kind of flavors that you would add to the base to make it pretty much your own? You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.